Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow! Even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud! I mean, the wrecking bandits!
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits. Tumbling test tubes. It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation. Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it. Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station. Thank you.
Oh no! Look, Morphle! A dragon is eating from our barbecue! Morphle, morph into a dragon too! Now, try to chase it away! I have an idea! He took the bait! Let's go, Morphle! Hi! I have an idea!
Whoa!
Morphle, let's play space adventure! Morph into a spaceship! Okay, Morphle, beware! Because the scary space overlord could be anywhere. We found you, space overlord!
Mila and Morphle, I'm not a space overlord. Can the two of you not play somewhere else? I'm trying to read.
Okay, Daddy.
Maybe I shouldn't have been so grumpy to Mila and Morphle. They were only playing.
You know what, Morphle? Why don't we go into space for real? Look, Morphle, it's a space treasure. Morphle, go! Let's go, Morphle! Yay! Okay, Morphle. Let's show Daddy the space treasure we found.
Daddy gone.
Daddy, where are you?
Space Overlord.
It was you. You kidnapped Daddy's space overlord. Give him back.
Mila. I am Daddy.
Look at what we found, Daddy. It's a space treasure.
Wow, you guys had a real space adventure. I'm sorry I was so grumpy before.
That's okay. Will you come with us on our next space trip, Daddy?
I would love to.
The jungle. The best place for my favorite of hobbies. Wildlife photography.
Morphle, morph into a lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle.
You shouldn't believe everything they say on TV, Mila. There are no lions in the jungle. Lions live in the savannah. But I don't see any other animals here either. Ah, there's one.
Oh, hello, parrot. We made some new friends, Morphle. Hey, don't eat our friends. Morphle, look! This elephant got stuck. Morphle, help him out. Wow, monkeys! Morphle, look!
Mila, there you are. I finally got a picture of an animal. We can go home now.
Can we stay for a bit longer? Morphle, the king of the jungle, likes it here.
Mila, I told you, lions are not from the jungle, so they can't be the kings of the jungle.
Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you need to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. you glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits.
Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Oh, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain. Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
This map tells us where we can find a hidden treasure. It should be right here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Morphle! Yay! Look, Morphle! Dolphins! And there's a whale! Those are jellyfish. Watch out, Morphle! Jellyfish sting! That's Neptune, the king of the sea. Now where is that treasure? We found it, Morphle! Yippee!
We'll take that.
Oh no!
Thank you for finding us this treasure.
Go after them, Morphle! Oh no! Uh-oh! It's a little mermaid. Oh no! Yay!
What's going on here?
What?
There you are.
Sorry, lad. No hard feelings, eh?
Now let's see what's inside. Wow! Pearls! Look, Morphle! There is snow outside of Daddy's Magic Pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo.
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, Atmo, I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out.
I would love to have the chance to photograph a real live Tyrannosaurus.
Morphle, morph into a time machine.
Look, Mila and Morphle, a herd of Gallimimus.
Whoa! There's something in the bushes!
Ankylosauruses. Hey, my camera! There he is! This is my chance. Ah, my camera.